Literally wrapping paper all over the street. Ho ho ho, we gotta get the Christmas tree home for Christmas. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is a snowy day here in the beautiful state of Utah. We got my cousin Jackson here. What are we gonna be doing today, buddy?
We're wrapping the car.
Wrapping the car? It's already wrapped though.
In the Christmas spirit.
It's Christmas in 2 days, guys. You'll be seeing this video on Christmas. So gonna do a little fun video here. We're gonna wrap the car in wrapping paper and then go pick up our Christmas tree and throw it on top of the car. All right, so we're gonna head over to the Walmart and get wrapping paper. And then should we pick up the tree right now, or should we wrap the car first and then go pick up the tree?
Wrap it now and then pull up to the store in a wrapped car.
I bet. Ho ho ho. Hopefully they still have wrapping paper a few days.
I know.
Before.
Yeah, no. I know you can get it in bulk. We got like a giant one for $10. Well, so much for waiting for a warm engine. So you not film with the gimbal?
It's too big. I just filmed the features with the. You trying to be all cinematic? You're funny.
That was a good one. So you see right here.
Oh, okay. I'm totally gonna use that. Huh?
With the police right behind you.
Police aren't right behind me, bro.
No, they're literally right next to you.
Ah! All right, we gotta. Oh my God! Why did we choose to come to Walmart today?
It's the day before Christmas.
Holy! Oh my God, guys! This was not a good. This is gonna be the most crowded thing on planet Earth. This was not a good idea. All right, we're gonna find a nice parking spot here in the back so the car doesn't get dented. Interesting. All right, we're gonna air it out. Head on in to Walmart. Super crowded. Only 2 days before Christmas. We're gonna switch to the GoPro. We're gonna switch to the GoPro while we're in the store and go find the wrapping paper. Oh, look at this! How convenient. The wrapping paper's right there.
There
Super easy.
We got it
I thought we were gonna have to go shopping. All right, we need the good stuff though.
Purple and it has like snowflakes on it.
Oh yeah, that's badass. I like that.
Yeah, no, that one's sick. I want to see that for sure.
Okay, we got green with the Christmas trees. We got the purple chrome with the snowflakes. We got the red chrome reindeer. We got all this wrapping paper. Oh, get that glittery one. Yes. We got this red sparkly chrome bow and all this wrapping paper. This is gonna be a good time. All right. We got wrapping paper out the wazoo.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And bow. I wonder if it's sticky already.
I hope so.
Stick it on there already. Oh, it's got like little ties. Hold up.
Jeez, I don't know if they can tell right now, but it is like 10 degrees right now.
It's so cold here in Utah. Hopefully we get a white Christmas though. That'd be sick. Revolutionary Christmas mod. Adds over 1,000 horsepower. It adds another turbo, and it puts a V8 engine in your 4-cylinder turbo Golf R. Now that is just perfect. Look at that. Look. It's perfect. It's perfect for Christmas mod. Let's go. We got
That actually, it goes so well.
We gotta go wrap the car, and then we'll pick up our Christmas tree. Let's do it. We gotta get this car wrapped quickly and strategically. I suck at wrapping presents, but this is what we got on the back here. Christmas trees, and I wrapped them upside down, but that's all right. How's Jackson doing over here? Oh yeah, look at this. Oh yeah, baby. Woohoo! That looks fire, dude. New wrap color, snowflake purple, chrome. light here, but this is how the wrapping paper turned out. We already lost a door, but yeah. Ho ho ho. Back turned out sick. This side is perfect. Look at that. Ooh, look at that wrap. Dang, you wrapped with this? And then the bow just ties it all together. Okay, it is the next day. We're here at the Home Depot with Irv. We see the trees. We're gonna acquire the tree. It is Christmas Eve. So we need to get the tree home for Christmas. Not really, I already have a tree, but. Irv thinks this is really dumb. All the wrapping paper is pretty much gone now, so. And these guys are looking at me like I'm an idiot.
They really are.
Oh, now they're gonna take a picture! Ah!
I'm in the car!
Here's how the car looks in the wind after a day. It's kind of like an unwrapped present now, but it still looks fire. We're gonna go get the tree. We're gonna get some cool rollers. We're gonna fix this. Boom. Perfect. Alright, we've got a big old Christmas tree still alive. Oh my god! No!
You ripped it.
You ruined it!
See this box? This is the reason why I bought it right here. I haven't used it at all.
Go, buff guy. It's not fitting on there.
No!
Alright, pop that.
Stick it out the window.
Clapped gold bars are us.
There's no way this is gonna work. Oh yeah! You just needed a little persuasion.
Hey guys, this is Irvin with TMWYT.
We're trying to figure out how to stuff a tree in a ski box, and it's just gonna fly out anyways.
Oh,
But
wow, it's gonna work. I'm a genius. Look at this.
you're just gonna take a picture of it like that?
Yeah. Looks better. Looks like I got a dead body up there. The Grinch put him up there. Boys, look fresh.
Holy it's so cold! Literally wrapping paper all over the street. Ho ho ho, we gotta get the Christmas tree home for Christmas. No, that's funny. There's literally nothing left on this door. All right guys, here's the driving aftermath. We lost purple door and a candy cane fender and half the hood. Irvin was doing some wicked fast pulls. Look at him looking like Santa Claus over here in the hoodie. But yeah, we'll probably just finish it off as soon as it gets dark. I'll take it over to the gas station, get some shots with the Christmas tree up top. And I think my favorite part is the little bow. I think that's my favorite part. But yeah, none of the wrapping paper held up at all. But the Christmas tree is doing great up in the ski box. That's the move right there. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Little Christmas present for all my subscribers to wake up to on Christmas morning. So Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. If you don't celebrate anything, I hope you enjoyed watching me shove a tree into a ski box on top of my bagged golf R is what it is. Not much wrapping paper left. We're gonna finish it off with a cinematic shot here to send you guys out for the day. Hope you're gonna have a great Merry Christmas. Spend it with family, spend it with friends, spend it with, you know, whatever. If you're working today, good job. But I just want to say, you know, my Christmas present this year is being able to do what I love. And we're coming up on 1,000 subscribers here. I don't want to get all sentimental and mushy and gushy, but I've been working really hard this year, and so I appreciate all the continued support. So Merry Christmas, guys. Enjoy this little cinematic feature of the car covered in torn up wrapping paper with a tree shoved in the ski box. So Merry Christmas, guys. I will catch you in the next one.
It's cold outside.